Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 9 of class 7th DAV Science, Reproduction in Plants back exercise. A. Fill in the blanks. First, yeast reproduce through the process of budding. Second, pollen grains are produced by anther. Third, the agents that carry the pollen grains from anther to a stigma are called pollinators. Fourth, the fusion of a male gamete with a female gamete is called fertilization. Fifth, seeds of orchids get dispersed by wind. B. Write true or false for the following statements. First, yeast reproduces asexually through fragmentation. False. Second, sweet potato and dahlia use their roots for asexual reproduction. True. Third, a unisexual flower has both stamen and pistil in it. False. Fourth, water can be an agent of pollination. True. Fifth, male and female gametes fuse to form the zygote. True. Sixth, seeds of a pea and bean plant are formed in pods. True. C. Tick the correct option. Answer. First, fragmentation. Second, leaves. Third, flower. Fourth, male reproductive cell. Fifth, ovary. D. Answer the following questions in brief. Question first. Name the two types of reproduction in plants. The two types of reproduction in plants are first, asexual. Second, sexual reproduction. Question second. Define vegetative reproduction. Answer. It is a type of asexual reproduction in which a new plant grows through use of the vegetative plants like root, stem, or leaves of the plant. Question 3. Give two examples of plants which reproduce through spore formation. Answer mosses and ferns. Question 4. Name two artificial methods of vegetative propagation from stem. Answer grafting and layering. Question 5. When is a flower said to be a bisexual flower? Answer. A flower is said to be a bisexual if it contains both stamens and pistils. Question 6. Name any three ways by which seeds are dispersed. Answer. Air, water, and animals are the three ways by which seeds are dispersed. E. Answer the following questions. Question first. In what ways is vegetative propagation better than sexual reproduction? Answer. Vegetative propagation has a number of advantages over sexual reproduction. The plants produced by this method takes less time to grow. They also bear flowers and fruits earlier than the plants produced from seeds. The new plants are exact copies of the parent plant and have the same desirable characters as those of their parent plant. Question 2. Draw a well-labeled diagram to describe the parts of a flower. Answer. For diagram, see page number 134 of your book. Question 3. How is self-pollination different from cross-pollination? Answer. Self-pollination transfer pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower. This process can take place in the same flower or a different flower of the same plant. On the other hand, cross-pollination transfer pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a different flower. This process can be placed between two flowers present on different plants. Question 4. How are fruits formed? Answer. After fertilization has taken place in a flower, a zygote is formed which divides several times to form an embryo within the ovule. The ovule develops a tough protective coat around itself and is gradually converted into seed. The ovary begins to grow and forms in the fruit. Question fifth. Why is dispersal of seeds necessary for growth of plants? Answer. Dispersal of seeds help the plants to spread out and grow in a new places, sometimes a long distance away from the parent plant. This is important because if seeds are not dispersed, a large number of germinating seedlings can grow very close to the parent plant. This will result in competition between all such seedlings as well as the parent plant. The competition is for getting light, space, water, and nutrients. All of these are important for plants to be able to grow and survive. That is why dispersal of seeds necessary for growth of plants. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.